Hello, I'm Cheryl Daniels. I'm president of the State Bar of Wisconsin, and I'm here today to talk to everyone about the issues of grassroots advocacy and how you can get involved. I was a lawyer for close to 37 years at the Wisconsin Department of Agriculture, Trade, and Consumer Protection. And as an attorney who worked in fields where you're working with administrative law and legislation and statutes involved in government in all different areas, we had to work with legislators, the governor's office, and constituents and advocacy groups at all levels. I feel that it is so important that attorneys get involved because it is the stories that you bring from the work that you do that legislators listen to. They listen to their constituents, which you are a constituent of for both the federal and the state level and local level too. You are constituents of the elected officials. They need to hear those stories, and it's important for them to hear the stories directly from the people who work in those areas. During this time period, we've worked tremendously hard on the issue of expungement reform, which we've not been able to move as quickly as we had hoped, and the issue of what is going to happen to 17-year-olds, whether they should be back in the juvenile justice system, which we feel is very important given their brain development, and then only moving them into the waived into adult court if, after all the factors are considered, a judge decides that that's going to happen. But lobbying, absolutely, the legislators know our lobbying staff and have tremendous trust in them because our lobbying staff does an excellent job. However, again, legislators care most about is their constituents, the people who vote for them, the people in their districts. And so it is really those stories that you bring, the issues that you bring forward coming from your clients, from the people you work with, from being across the aisle with other people, from working together with different groups. It's what you bring to the legislators that they care about most and will most likely bring forward changes. I think that when we look at the broad panoply of issues, things move slowly. I think that frustrates a lot of people. There was a tremendous number of bills that were in the last legislative session that were concerning police issues and police reform on a number of areas. And I think that what came out was better because lawyers were involved. Absolutely not. This is not about being of a particular political party. It's not about the campaign part of it. This is about being a constituent of that representative, whomever they are, and working with them so that they can be better educated about any issue that you have. They cannot keep up with all the issues. They cannot be experts in all the issues. And so the more they can get the expertise of those who are working day to day in the trenches with these issues, the better they feel about their understanding of the issues, and the better they feel about supporting changes that are brought forward by you as the constituent. You go on wisbar.org/govrelations, G-O-V relations, and there you will find a button about take more action, policy issues that you can read about that the bar has, the issues that they have risen to the top, and how to get more involved. And that includes those issues that may not be specific policy issues that the State Bar has taken, but any issue that you are interested in. Just remember that it's not just those ones that all of us can agree on, but you as an expert in your area of practice or with people that you've worked with, you can make the difference by going on there, learning more, taking action, and finding that we've given you the tools to make this work.